Hey folks, in this video I will show you how to set up the WSL after installing it in the Windows. So first of all, you need to install the WSL. So if you don't know how to install, check out my last video. I will put the link in the description. So after you install the WSL, you will navigate to similar setup like this. So first it will ask you to enter the new Unix username. So I input username as Dave, and then it will ask you to add new password for the user. So add new password. In here, when you type in the password, you don't see what you are typing like Windows. So make sure to carefully enter the password. So now I add my password. So after that, it will ask you to re-enter the previous password. So in here, enter the exact same password you had last time. If it is different, you will see something like this. So I'm going to try again. Okay, so now password are correct and the step is completed. So now you can see my user here, Dave, at this desktop, this name. So now if I run Linux command, you can see it Linux commands are working. So that's how you can set up WSL after installing it on Windows PC. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.